Alright, good day class. Um, let's continue with our topic, indices. So, yesterday we treated so many laws, and today we are going to continue with what? Power law. I call it power of a power. Right? Power of a power. So many textbooks, they say power law. Let me say they are not too far from the truth. Yeah. But for us to demystify the concept of mathematics, let's try to explain this concept to the people, to the students, that this topic is not a power law only, but let's say power of a power, right? So let's work examples for you to see. Now, let me say example 1. Guys, you need to manage the video because my camera is not so perfect, but I'm trying to iron out the problem. Right. So simplify. When I say 2 raised to the power 5, all raised to the power 4, right? Let's say solution. But for me, I want to create a very conducive learning atmosphere. Now I'm going to solve this problem using 3 methods. How? Let me say this is method 1. When I say 2 raised to the power 5, all raised to the power 4, this is now equal to. Let me try to demystify the statements. When I say, don't call this power law only, say power of a power. Why? When you look at this 2, here in this case is a base. And this 5 is what? A power. Then the 4 also what? Is a power. But the bracket here is what? Stand for multiplication. Am I making sense? So when you say power of a power, that tells you that power of a power. It's very simple and straightforward. Just for you to understand the concept. So let's continue. Now, when you want to solve this problem, let's open the bracket. We first write our base. Now, write 5 times multiplied by 4. This is now equal to 2 raised to the power 5 times 4 is what? I now have 20. Good. That is method 1. I call it method 1. Okay? Now, let's solve this. 2 raised to the power 5, all raised to the power 4. Solution, the same problem. I call it method 2. So, if this is method 2, what I'm advising you to do, just say 2 raised to the power 5, all raised to the power 4. This is now equal to. Because of we have a base which is 2, then we have a power, we also have what? An outside power, which makes us to say power of a power. Yes. So now I'm going to multiply the base, which is 2, because it's raised to power 5, so I'm going to multiply the base 2 5 times. Then I indicate this 4 as a power, so that you can make your life easy and comfortable. Yeah. So, say 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because of the base, it's raised to power 5. Do you understand? You understand? What about you? Alright. Now, indicate the 4 as a power. Power 4, power 4, power 4, power 4, power 4. Now, that is why when I start with the first law, second law, I told you we have to solve problems wherein I'm going to reference you from the first law. Now I'm going to take you back to the what? The first law, which refers to multiplication law. Multiplication law states that when the bases are the same, take one base and what? Add the power. Am I making sense? So this 2 is what? The base. And this 4 that we are saying is the power. So take one base, that is 2 raised to the power 4 plus this 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus another 4. This is now equal to 2 raised to the power 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 4, I have what? 12 plus 4, 16 plus 4, 20. We go to the third method, which refers to I say this third method, yes, please. So 2 raised to the power 5 or raised to the power 4 solution. Method 3. 2 raised to the power 5 or raised to the power 4. This is now equal to what creates the differences between method 1, method 2 and method 3 now. Now looking at method 2 and method 3, there is a slight differences. Now here in this case I multiply the base 5 times, then I add 4 as a power. Here now I'm going to multiply the 2 4 times, then I indicate what? 5 as a power. Am I making sense? So this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, because of the base it's raised to power 4, the outside number. Now indicates the power here, which of course is 5 here, indicates 5 as what? A power. You see here now the power is what? 4. Here now the power is what? 5. And the base I multiply 5 times. Here now the base I multiply 4 times, because 2 raised to the power 4. Here because 2 raised to the power 5, that is why I multiply the base 5 times. Am I making sense? John Kefi, I hope you are okay. Alright. So this is now equal to, let's take also the power law, and let me say the multiplication law concept. Multiplication law, which is the first law, says what? When the bases are the same, take one base and add the power. That is 2 raised to the power 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. This is now equal to 2 raised to the power 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5. We have what? 15 plus 5, 20. Alright, that is how best I can help to demystify this concept, to simplify this concept. You know, when you say you want to solve problem, make sure you use the, or let me say the left hand side. If your answer is supposed to be 100%, it's supposed to be 100%. Using the left hand side. So that is my way of solving mathematics. Now Mr. A here is 100% correct. Then Mr. B here is 100% correct. Mr. C here is 100% correct. So let us take an example. If you take an exam, then let me say you have your friend, but let me say you are good in mathematics, you know mathematics perfect, then you want to assist your friend. Now let's say you have already used this method, now you want to assist your friend. You can use this method, you assist your friend. If you want to extend your help to another person, you can use this method also. So you have 3 different solutions, but you arrive the same answer. Am I making sense? Alright, don't forget to subscribe, just press the red button, like and share. Right? So thank you.